Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save value on Yubo app. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your top right corner on your profile icon. And now go to complete your profile. Once you go over here, you can see there is a bio option. Just go over here and type something like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go backward and now check again. You can see that's how you're gonna save value on Yubo app. You don't need to go and press on anything that says save or anything like that, but you can just go back and then your bio will be saved. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.